Hi, hello. Welcome back to my session. Today I'm going to discuss about the futures of Java. Java is an high-level programming language and it is most powerful programming language running on billions of devices. You may all know that. This is all the bonus side of the developer, and let's see the futures. It's very simple and bug-free and platform independent, package, object-oriented programming language, and it's very secure flexibility and robust and exceptional handling, multi-threading. I am going to explain all this in not in a brief way. I will take each and every session to describe very briefly. Right now you may not know everything, so I am going to give a single line definition for all. Yeah, the first one is simple and bug free. Why Java is very simple? Because it's all syntax are derived from C, C++. But you don't worry, if you are the direct learner of Java, we will learn each and every syntax in briefly, okay? And also this is Java is bug free code. I may give many examples for this. Right, C and C++, we will face many bugs related to allocation and deallocation, but Java allocates memory automatically with the help of garbage collector. So Java is bug free code, so it will not overheads the developers. And again, Java has backbone functionality which needed to add the futures in future sets. Right, we can go to second point. The second one is platform independent. Java is platform independent. This is one of the main features of Java. First, what is platform? Platform is nothing but as an hardware or a software environment on which your computer program going to run. Okay, so your program will not depend upon the environment. It can common to all the environment. Okay, so how this is common to all the environment is, let's take, this is your source file, this is your program page, first page, your source program. Your source program is compiled by the compiler and generate bytecode. Okay, this bytecode is common to all the system. It's common to all the system because it is designed in a way that write once and run anywhere. So here the bytecode is common to all the machine. Once your machine having Java virtual machine, then it can run any Java program. Right, this bytecode is given to the input as Java virtual machine. This Java virtual machine will convert bytecode into machine code. This is what happened. But why in C and C++ is not platform independent? This is because there is no intermediate code called bytecode. They will generate directly a machine code. So this bytecode is very important, and this is common to all the machine which has Java virtual machine. Okay, so Java is platform independent. The third point is package. Package is nothing but is a group of similar data type in Java. It contains classes in one and subclasses, subpackage, interface. So this is a group of similar data type, and this is nothing but similarly what we have in our file system, in our computer, how we will store our files according to the group we will store it. So similarly Java holds all this, and with the help of these larger class library, we can achieve larger functionality, and therefore the package is very important for preventing name conflict problem when two packages of two class having the same name. And then this is also a best example of data hiding, and so data hiding, so this supports Java's more secure one. Object-oriented programming language is one of the most important feature sets of Java, and the first truly object-oriented programming language is Smalltalk. Java is not purely fully object-oriented programming language. The explanation I will give it in another session. Now we move on to object-oriented programming language. What is the purpose of object-oriented programming language? It's nothing but it's a way or an approach to design your software program. Okay, to design a software program. So this will simplify your software development as well as the software maintenance. Okay, so this can be achieved with the help of class object inheritance, polymorphism, data abstraction, and data encapsulation. Right. What is class and object? Object is nothing but, right now you may, this explanation is not enough to grasp the thing. I will provide this in an coding session, okay. So I am just going to give a single line definition. Class and object. Object is nothing but is a real world entity, okay. Class is going to be a blueprint or a template for to design the object. For example, we may take a robot, okay, robot. To design a robot, what we will need to first sketch it up, how it look, how the performance, state and behavior. Like that, the class provide the blueprint and template which shows the state and behavior of your model. Okay, then inheritance is a mechanism in which one class going to acquire the properties of another. The class which gives the property is known as parent class or superclass. The class which inherits the property from another is called subclass or a child. So this can be achieved through runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism, and the main use of inheritance is code reusability. We need not to code from first, so we can just take it up and we can reuse or we can modify it. Polymorphism. Polymorphism is a mechanism in which a single action can be, a single performance can be done by the different way, and this can be achieved with the help of method overloading and method overriding. These things we will undertake over when we move on to programming session. Data abstraction. Data abstraction is nothing but hiding all the internal functionality and showing only the outside. For example, I can take ATM or a mobile call. We are just making a call, but we don't know what is behind that. So this is a way of hiding the internal structure of functionality, and this is also very helpful for to support Java in more secure side, and this can be achieved by using abstract class and interface. Then encapsulation. Encapsulation is nothing but binding of data and method together into a single unit. For example, we can take capsule, in which it's contain a mixture of medicine, is it? So like that, encapsulation binds your data and method together. Java class is one of the example of encapsulation. Java is one of the most powerful and secure language. This is how your source file is converted into bytecode by the compiler. This bytecode is not very easy to exploit by the third party. However, the compiler try to decompile your bytecode. This process is highly time consuming. At the main time, we can save our bytecode. And next one is no pointer. Java does not support pointer, but it provides another level of abstraction, and therefore if they points to the memory. If we use them directly, then Java loses its security, right? Okay. And security API, Java provides more security API and authentication, communication, cryptographic algorithm, and much more things is adapted in this session. I will take care in another one. And Java virtual machine. We all know that our bytecode, this source file is converted into bytecode by the compiler. Again, this bytecode is given input to our Java virtual machine. This bytecode is given to the Java virtual machine. This Java virtual machine is responsible to convert into a machine code, right? Before it runs the bytecode, the Java virtual machine will check the code whether it is in a correct location. For example, if a method is unauthorizedly waiting for to access the private data, in that time your Java virtual machine will catch a lot of error. So therefore, this shows your Java is highly powerful and secure. Exception handling is one of the important features of Java, and exceptional handling is used by many programming language in a way to describe what to do when something unacceptably happens. Okay, what are the unaccepted things like sometime network connection fail in a server side, or it may be an unauthorization access, or in the time of any memory overflow. So these are the disturbance will happen during the execution of your program. So this exception handling is ready to handle all this. So this is used to maintain the flow of program during the execution time. Multi-threading. Multi-threading is one of the features of Java, and therefore thread is a lightweight process you may all know, and it's a path followed by the program during the execution. All Java program must have at least one thread called main thread, which was created by the Java virtual machine when your bytecode is given as an input to your Java virtual machine. Right. The main aim of multi-threading is to maximize the utilization of CPU. This is done with the help of this allow your program to execute simultaneously. So two or more part of your program is executing concurrently. So with this help, Java supports the resource allocation, and therefore cost and time also we may reduce. Just now we discussed about the features of Java, and I hope this will give a nice basic information about the future set of Java. And if you all like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.